pagkamatrimonyo? Siya ba ay iyong iibigin, aaliwin, igagalang at iingatan sa sakit, sa kalusugan, at tanging sa kanya lamang pipisan habang kayong dalawa ang nabubuhay? Opo, Pastor. Ikaw naman, Aika, tinatanggap mo ba ang lalaking ito upang maging asawa, mamuhay na magkasama ayon sa tinakda ng banal na matrimonyo? Siya ba ay iyong iibigin, aaliwin, igagalang at iingatan sa sakit at sa kalusugan, at tanging sa kanya lamang titisan habang kayong dalawa ay nabubuhay?
Opo, Pastor.
Yeah, with you by my side, 'cause you and I would just feel right together. And I knew that moment our eyes met, I found the one, I found my forever. We can get away to New York City, Brooklyn Bridge never looked so pretty then, with you right next to me. It's where I got down on one knee and asked you on those city lights, would you do the honor of becoming my wife? You said yes, now here we are, giving each other our hearts, and see my future when I look into your eyes. You and I traveling the world together by my side. And
Hi baby, this is for you. I gave you this because gusto ko ulit makita yung side mo bilang si Luigi boy. I understand na hindi ito yung first choice natin, but pag-practice mo na muna to. This tiny thing here will be your body from now on. See you later. I love you so much. Ja. Testing na natin. Hello mga boy! Ako nga pala si Luigi boy, nagbabalik!
That's the time na na-realize ko na they are for each other. Kasi nakita ko na magkakampi talaga sila. To the point na it's them against the world. And 13 years later, they finally sealed the deal. Ito ngayon, ating kuya. No exchange, no returns. Congratulations. I am sure na you will have a happy day.
Thank you so much. One more time, palapakan po natin. The maid of honor, of course.
My only advice to both of you is always go the hard way na tama. Sa panahon ngayon na napakadali ng lahat ng bagay, tulad ng madaling sumuko, madaling maghiwalay, puntahan niyo yung hard way na tama, which is ipaglaban and ayusin ninyo yung mga pagkukulang ninyo sa isa't isa. May God bless you and your family always. To forever, Louie and Ja.
Thank you so much. Palapakan po natin, investment.
To forever of Ja and Louie, let's toast to that.
Come on!
Just kids still breaking them rules, exchanging hellos after school. Got degrees, thought we moved on, but you were never far from gone. A couple of years passed since that day. You were always tucked away somewhere close in the back of my mind, waiting on just the right time. I called your number and we talked for hours, catching up. Well, our first date was singing to the band train, and I knew I found the one. And now you're here, standing right in front of me, holding my hand tight in yours for all the world to see. I can't wait to spend my life, yeah, with you by my side, 'cause you and I would just feel right together. And I knew
para muli mong mahasa ang talento mo sa pagtugtog. At ayos ba ang acting ko sa Triple White? Hahaha. Sana nagustuhan mo. PS, may kasama ding ampli yan. Pwede na mag-rock and roll. Hahaha.
Down on one knee and asked you one of those city lights. Would you do the honor of becoming my wife? You said yes, now here we are, giving each other our hearts and seeing my
Apart from God, we can do nothing. So, kaya nga kailangan natin ang Panginoon na siya ang maging pundasyon ng buhay natin. Pundasyon na hindi lang ng buhay, kundi maging pundasyon din ng ating pagmamahalan, ng ating buhay ng asawa. So, kapag ginawa nating pundasyon ng Panginoon, magiging matagumpay yung buhay natin may asawa.
I can't wait to spend my life, yeah, with you by my side, 'cause you and I could just feel right together. And I knew that moment our eyes met, I found the one, I found my forever. I'll say I do 1,000 times over. You're my family, my friend, my lover. I can't wait to spend our lives falling in love as husband and wife. Now you're here, standing right in front of me, holding my hand tight in yours for all the world to see. I can't wait to spend my life with you by my side, 'cause you and I would just feel right together. Yeah, you and I would just feel right together. I found my forever. I found my forever.
Thank you sa patience, love, care, and support na patuloy mong ibinibigay sa akin. I'm grateful kay Lord sapagkat ikaw ang binigay niya. Ano man ang haharapin natin, we'll always face it together. I will continue to support you on your endeavor and goals. I will always see to it na ako ang makakapagbigay ng first experience mo sa mga bagay-bagay. Gayon din, patuloy tayong mag-e-explore ng mga first natin as husband and wife. I love you and I will always choose you. Do more gala, maybe memories, maybe more lahat na din together. Di mo ako iniwan sa sikat ng araw, sasamahan kita sa pagpatakbo.
Nagbigayan, pag may problema, magkahayan, ginhawa, kayo susunod. Ang problema, kaya niyo sumuko.
God bless sa inyo. At tulad ng mensahe ni Pastor kanina, patuloy kayo magmahala. God bless.
Hindi naman mahirap magkaroon ng partner ang asawa. Please strive to be partners to each other because you're going to be partners in life. Hindi mag-asawa, not the romantic, not the romance, because it's going to, romance is going to go away as you grow older. But partnership, companionship, and maybe the trust with each other will linger.
One of those city lights, would you do the honor of becoming my wife? You said yes,
Relax!
here we are.
Session! Unang haplas! Tanggal ang sama ng loob! And for our today, 2 kilos of rice! Another 2 kilos of rice! Agay ka sa mga si Seth. Labas yan, ma'am. Sabi mo, inulit mo yan. Ma'am, pakita natin ito. Riding package! Go! And for our brand new Overreno, bago 1, 2, 3, go! Bagong pitas! May kasama pala. Ano? Thank you so much po.
My family, my friend, my lover. I can't wait to spend hand tied in yours for all the
Kahit kailan, hindi naging kunwari, puso kong ikaw lang ang may-ari. Ako ay di naaalis, wala nang bagong darating. Mahal kita palagi, B. Here's my vow, signed, sealed, I'm yours, wala nang balikan.